Hi everyone, you're watching Cairo Craves. Right now I'm still in Bang Pu, an area in Samut Prakan south of Bangkok, and I'm here to be trying out the famous Giant Meatball Noodles at this restaurant. The restaurant is very famous and it's called Lom Le Giant Meatball. They are also well known for this particular dish, but I also want to be checking out the other dishes they have. Now, in the previous video, I was at Bang Pu Recreation Center for bird feeding and also checking out the seagulls. I had a great experience there, and it is actually not far from this particular restaurant. So I advise you add these two places to the areas you want to visit on your trip to Thailand. The restaurant is located in Bang Pu along Thetsaban Bang Pu alley off the Sukhumvit road, and it is amazingly beautiful. It has these semi-private sections built in form of gazebos hanging over water, and they are romantic, I must say. The wooden materials give you a whole different vibe, bringing you close to nature, and the deck here is awesome, especially for those who would love to take some pictures. It's just a great moment being here. This is what welcomes you to this place. Very impressive. I wouldn't hesitate coming back again. So it's time to place my order. This is the menu right over here. Each table has a menu like this one. All you gotta do is get a pen and check mark any of the dishes you wanna try. Now the meatball noodles is on top of my list because it is what brought me over here. When you're done with your order, all you gotta do is press this bell. So I'm gonna press it, and in a few someone's gonna be attending to us. Oh, we already got a glass of ice, and this is where I'm going to be pouring my water. It is very hot over here, so this is very common, and the meatball noodles are here. Now this is the dish we've all been waiting for, the giant meatball noodles. Taste of the soup. Very delicious. So you've also got pork neck salad over there. The ambience here is just wonderful. So I'm gonna be trying out the giant meatball, and I'll be telling you what it tastes like. A few noodles on top. Oh, very delicious. No wonder many people are coming over here. This is actually one of the top rated giant noodles restaurant right here in Bang Pu. So make sure as soon as you leave the recreation center over there, it's just a 9-minute drive to this location. The meatball is very juicy and tender. it's got this bouncy texture in your mouth. And these crackers right here, I think these are deep fried pork fat. It gives it a whole new texture when you combine them together. The soup is not spicy at all, so don't worry about spiciness. Let me take a sip of this water to cool me down. I'm really loving this. I feel like having another dish or another bowl of Giant Meatball Noodles. So these are the other dishes I'm going to be trying out later, but the main focus was the Giant Meatball Noodles, and we got deep fried chicken over there, and also my bowl of noodles. It's almost done, but I'm enjoying it. The food was amazing and the ambience is just great. I would definitely recommend this place to my friends, and I urge you to come by, check it out. If I'm to rate this place out of 10, I would give it a 9, and the only reason I'm giving it a 9 is because it is far away from where I stay. Otherwise it is pretty accessible, so make sure you come down here. And that's a wrap, folks. Thank you for joining me on this food adventure. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell never to miss an episode. Keep exploring, keep testing, and keep enjoying the amazing world of food. Until next time, stay hungry.